In this video, I will show how to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation using Excel. So in Pearson, you sometimes have this little icon besides the data, which can help you copy the data in Excel. So if we click this and then open in Excel, and you see it automatically copies the data in Excel, and then you'll have to hit Enable Editing to start your work. And now every Excel command starts with equal sign. So for example, if you want to find the mean, then in an empty cell, you will write equals, and the command for mean is average. So you try to write average and this pops up. And so I select this. And then you have to select all this column which you want to average. So you will click on the first and then you drag it up to the last, and then you hit enter. And you see this calculates the average. So maybe we can make a note over here that this was the mean. And similarly, to calculate the median, again, in an empty cell, you will write equals to median. And then the same thing, select all the data whose median you want to find. And so let's make a note of it. This is median. And then if you want to find the sample standard deviation, so if you want to treat this data as a sample, and so the command for sample standard deviation, again, you will start by writing equals, and you will write st, and you will select this stdev.s. So that's sample standard deviation. So again, we select the data, hit enter. So sample standard deviation. And if you want to find the sample variance, then again, the command will be equals var. And then you select var.s for sample variance. Again, select the data, enter. So this is sample variance. And if you want to treat this data as a population, and you want to find its population standard deviation and variance, then you will do equals, and again st, and so now you will select stdev.p. Again, select the data, and then enter. That's the population standard deviation. And similarly, population variance, so equals var.p. Select and enter. Population variance. So you see that in general, the sample standard deviation and population standard deviation are different, and so are the sample and population variances. For calculating the mean, we don't have to worry about whether it's the sample mean or population mean. We do it the same way. That's why we don't have different commands for sample and population. So in either case, whether you treat this data as a sample or as a population, the mean will still be what we found by using the average command.